just a week ago. Crew at my house and we party every weekend. So on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. But why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripping.
Say hey to the vlog. Say hey, y'all. Say hey to the vlog. You can put some in your eye. Hey, y'all. We just took a walk. He wanted to walk. We just took a walk home. You want to get down? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That's my ponytails. I'll be doing my hair tomorrow before my mama's birthday party. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All right, y'all.
Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side since 2005. Hold up,
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 hold up, hold up.
hold
I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just taking time.
They say the sun and a shine for all, but I am some people world, yet never shine at all.
These roads of flames are catching a fire. Fire.